Hello guys, I got a set of radios. That is the Racal VRQ-317. It's a base radio, 225 MHz to 400 MHz. And this is the Racal BCC-70, 225 to 400 MHz. So approximately 4 to 6 watt from. And this is a 50. This is the 50 watt power transmitter. So as you can see, that's operating 24 volt. This is the supply, 24 volt. That's the heat sink. And this radio is Manpack portable. I think it operates only in 12 volt for 12 to 14 or 16, something like that, but I'm not sure if it operates in 24 volts, so I never tried, so I'm not gonna risk it to because I don't have first at all. I don't have any battery, but I'm not gonna think to plug them in 24 volt. So till I'm proper sure to see anywhere any instruction, because I don't have any user manual for none of them for now. I used to have one for them, but since a bit long time I think it's got sold. So what I'm going to try to test, just to quick test between them, but also how to program the memory, internal memory battery for channels. I think that's flat in here. The Manpack radio has a good memory battery, because I have two of them. If you have seen my previous video, they retain the memory frequency and the memory on hoping and encryption. Also, I think it has a digital encryption, 16 kilobit digital, because in my previous video, if you have seen it, when I tested those two radios talking to one another with encryption, I had a Chinese radio next to it. So when the encryption was on, the Chinese radio won't pick up any signal at all in the same frequency, which means, because if it was like a scramble sort of encryption, the Chinese radio would have picked it up at least as a signal, but won't be heard the voice, any clear voice. So that's what I think. So again, not much knowledge on them. So the test right now, I'm going to try to, the same function which the big radio, which how to say, the big brother of Racal, has mostly have the same function like the small one. So for example, if I want to put any frequency, I'm going to try in this one, because I don't want to mess with the memory which already has on it. So because I'm not an expert, so I don't want to change anything on it, so the other radio after won't be operating on the same frequency or on the same encryption, because if I change anything. So how do usually, again, the same function which is in here in that big radio, it will have the same in here. So let's say, I think they are like a frequency when you have to turn it on. For example, turn it on in here, so you have to go all around and around. So up to here, it won't let you come any nearer. So what you have to press this button in that side in here, which will let you to go. So right now it says channel, so you have to put a channel. So that is for frequency. That I think, so I have to try, is for hops or encryption. B, I don't know because as I said, I never tried before. So the same will be in here, for example. So if you want to put any frequency, because it's already pre-programmed, so I don't want to mess anything on it, so you have to go all around, and then on top of here has a button which you have to press it to let you go to, for example, frequency, where it says F frequency, H or B. Same, I think it will be as well, for example, if you want to clear all channels or to zero it. So he's another same like that one has under here, which, let me show you if I can. Yeah, if you can see it, guys. So, but the test, as I said, will be in here, how to put the frequency. Let's see what frequency we can put see in here right now. So we're gonna put 275 megahertz. I think it's on encryption, so we're gonna put it on clear. FC, it means FM. It's for FM, clear. AM is AM channel, where you have to go like to talk to any probably air to ground, what it's called them. So like in here where you see transceiver to ground, transceiver to, and so on. So I'm not really good on them, so that is a general video. So again, let's see which channel we're gonna put it. 275 on clear. Let's raise the volume, because that's the volume in here. So let's try to program the frequency in here. We said again, let's check again. 275 27500. Okay, so if I press that one in here, so I don't know now, we have to press what's about this one, channel 1. So it seems it's been programmed. I'm not sure if it's been programmed with the encryption or no, because probably you have to switch the toggle in here, F or B, to press any of them, and then to enter like a keypad code, for example 1 2 3 4 5 or 5 6 7 8 9 and things like that. So okay, let's try channel 1. It says, I think, is it programmed anything, or you have to, no, you have to go back to frequency in here. So is there anything programmed on it? 275. Okay, let's put it on low. I think it's in mid. So okay, let's put the handpicked microphone in here nearby. 1 2 testing, 1 2 testing, 1 2 testing. It's transmitting. Let's check the frequency. What frequency is in here? 275. Clear, medium. It seems like I have put on medium power. So let's see in here. 275. Okay, let's raise the volume in here as well. Let's try to hear it in here while it transmits in here. Yes. Because it's nearby, so it has interference. So let's learn more, guys. That will be, put the volume down because interfering one to another because nearby. So how to program, I think you have to press in here now, as I said. Go to F, it should be for frequency, H for hops or power, and B, probably B, maybe encryption, probably. I don't know, so just a quick test. 2 8 8 9 5. Oh, is it frequency, that one? Seems like it's frequency. Okay, if I press again, TK up, it goes to frequency number 2, channel 2 maybe. So 225,800. Yeah, yes. So just try one more in what that may be, or I think it's frequency transmitting, I think, probably. Well guys, that is a general video how to program or how to mess or play with it Hopefully I won't. Thanks for watching, guys.